How's it going, guys? Butcher's Block here, and today I have a little bit of a different lock than I normally would pick. This nice little cool cam lock that I got off the eBays a little bit ago. I got it in a little 2-pack. Oh dear. It came with this guy, but this one here is a duo. So, wrong way. I haven't put my pick on this yet, and I've never picked one before. So, I do believe they have a bit of a reputation of being hard to pick. So, I am going to give it a go. If I can get in the vise properly. Without crunching. Alright, that should be alright. Okie doke. Let's get a bit of camera angle. Alright, and I need a tensioner. Yeah, let's give that a go. Alright, and go in offset hybrid and look for a binder. So the bottom springy after again, I'll click. Let's go to the top. All right, a little bit of core movement. In the back, a bit more core movement. And I got him. Wow. I think that's it. Was that it? It can't have been. All right, let's try again and just wrap him up a bit better. Okay, we'll try this again. I just couldn't get the it not to bind up on the vise. So hopefully that will be enough. Okay, now it's tensioning. I had my tensioner in, where is it? Silly, this one in there. All right, let's give it another go. All right. Nice click down the bottom. Another click. All right, now at the top. So yeah, I was saying before, I don't know if this has false gates or anything like that. I think I got it open before, but just got yeah, the vise in the way. All right, now that's a false set of sorts, which is maybe means I'm in a false gate. Again, never picked one of these. Hey! All right. Wow, that's cool. Never picked one of those before. That is brilliant. I don't know about gutting or anything like that. If they are guttable, oh, you can. I'm sure that I would just muff it up, so I'm not going to do that. All right, so locking back up. That is all for, I guess this will be a quick pick Thursday. How good. Stoked with that. Yeah, don't know if this is the bitting. Yeah, that's all I've got today. Absolutely stoked with that. Huh. All right. Cool. Yeah. So everyone out there, hope everyone's having a good quick pick Thursday. And until next time, stay well, stay safe, and stay sane. Hooroo.